Namaskar. Wish you all a very happy World Environment Day 2024. Our every small effort count in the fight for a healthy environment. I request all of you to take a pledge, plant trees for a healthy environment and adopt sustainable practices in your lifestyle to save the environment. Thank you so much. Stay happy and healthy and keep your environment green and clean.
पर्यावरण दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। देश और दुनिया में इस समय जो सबसे बड़ा खतरा है वो है हमारे पर्यावरण। पर्यावरण के प्रति हम सभी जागरूक रहें और आने वाली जितनी भी जनरेशन्स हैं उनको भी यह सुंदर धरती, यह सुंदर वातावरण हम सौंप कर जाएं, ऐसी हम लोग को शपथ लेनी चाहिए। अपने दैनिक क्रियाकलाप, अपने सभी जो भी हमारे एक्शंस हैं वे क्लाइमेट पॉजिटिव हों, वे पर्यावरण की सुरक्षा की दिशा में हों, ऐसा हम प्रयत्न करें। मैं डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ ज्योग्राफी शहीद भगत सिंह इवनिंग कॉलेज के सभी छात्रों और ज्योग्राफी डिपार्टमेंट के सभी शिक्षकों को बधाई दूंगा और शुभकामनाएं दूंगा। 5 जून को पर्यावरण दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
We are surviving in this deadly heat wave, and also we can see a forest fire in the hills and flood in some part of our country affecting thousands of people. My dear friends, it is a time for us to awake and to take actions for the protection of our environment. Our earth will not continue to give us comfort and beauty and harvest unless we sacrifice our comfort today for saving our future generation. Therefore, it is very necessary for all of us to apply 3 R's in our life: reduce, reuse, recycle. By doing this, we might reverse the process responsible for such climate crisis. Dear friends, let us motivate many more people to apply 3 R's for sustainable solution. Thank you so much. I wish you a very happy World Environment Day, 5th June 2024.
सबको पर्यावरण दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। ये पर्यावरण दिवस को हमें सिर्फ दिवस ही नहीं मनाना चाहिए, बल्कि एक पेड़ लगाने का जीवन में संकल्प लेना चाहिए। एक पेड़ पूरे संसार, एक एक पेड़ अगर सभी लोग लगाएं, पूरे संसार की पर्यावरण बदल सकती है और पृथ्वी सुरक्षित हो सकती है। धन्यवाद।
World Environment Day is celebrated every year in our college since 2010. This is done to create awareness among the students and amongst all to protect the environment and our Mother Earth. This year the theme is land restoration, desertification and drought resilience. Let us all come together and do our bit to protect the environment. Thank you.
Good afternoon to dear students on this World Environment Day, which has a theme on land restoration, drought resilience and desertification. You know why this has come to the mind of United Nations? I have a feeling that we have done enough harm to the environment that the land needs restoration. Now that the wrong has been done, to undo that wrong, we have to correct and mend our ways. And the theme this year being our land, our future. In the present times, we have been experiencing, witnessing such extreme climate activities. That means the amount of environmental degradation that has been done by human intervention has to be checked, regulated, reduced, cut. And if possible, we should stop beyond the limits of the environment's capability to bear the type of development we are doing. Now is the role of you people, the future generation, the geographers, the environmentalists, to stick to the 3 R's if possible. They are the only tools. I would say that is the only mantra, because we have got only one earth, one planet, no planet B. If we want sustenance of life, human beings on this earth, we have to follow the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. So let us keep it for our own good, preserve it, conserve it, so that life sustains on this earth without any war, any epidemic, or any kind of misery. Thank you, and let's show our gratitudes towards the environment, the resources Mother Earth provides us. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm glad that our department is observing and celebrating the World Environment Day on 5th June 2024. Thank you ma'am, thank you TIC ma'am for the keen interest and for the initiative. I wanted to say a quote by Gandhiji that art provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man great. So you all know, being a responsible citizen of the world, let us all protect, conserve, and take care of our environment for better future of this earth and sustainable environment, because we have only one earth to live. Thank you, everyone.
Good afternoon, students. My best wishes for this year's World Environment Day. I won't give examples from the previous years. In this summer only, we have seen the Bangalore and other cities across India are facing acute water crisis. The temperature has risen so far that is gone beyond the human endurance. The poor and the vulnerable sections of the society, they are facing the brunt. Or we all are suffering some or other kind of difficulty due to this. This is the time when we should seriously ponder and act about some serious interventions to sort out this problem. Let's take pledge so that we can conserve and protect our Mother Earth. Thank you.
Wish you all a happy Environment Day. Let's celebrate this World Environment Day by adopting some eco-friendly habits and sustainable practices.
नमस्कार, विश्व पर्यावरण दिवस पर आप सभी को बहुत बहुत बधाई। हम सभी जानते हैं कि पर्यावरण में बदलाव के चलते प्रत्येक जीव को प्रकृति के प्रकोप का सामना करना पड़ रहा है। पर्यावरण के संरक्षण के लिए हम सभी मनुष्यों को निरंतर प्रयासरत रहना चाहिए। पर्यावरण के संरक्षण के लिए हम ये तो जानते ही हैं कि वैश्विक प्रयास चल रहे हैं, लेकिन क्या आप जानते हैं कि गिलहरी प्रयासों से भी पर्यावरण के संरक्षण में योगदान दिया जा सकता है। जल के दुरुपयोग को कम करना, कार पूलिंग करना, जन्म दिवस या अन्य अवसरों पर पौधारोपण कर और सतत जीवन शैली को अपनाकर हम पर्यावरण के संरक्षण में अपना योगदान दे सकते हैं। तो आइए हम सभी मिलकर प्रतिज्ञा लेते हैं और सतत जीवन शैली को अपनी परंपरा फिर से बनाते हैं, सतत जीवन शैली को फैशन बनाते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, to my young geographers and environmentalists, I wish you a very good environmental day. This year, theme of the environmental day is protect our land and fight the desertification. So as we know, around 4 million square kilometers of the land are getting desertified every year. It is a slow poisoning for our future earth or sustainable future. So we have to be little more cautious to protect our land resources, and we also have to pay attention toward this. So apart from that, I would like to say we have to consider or treat environment as an integral part of our life, not as a foreign element. How much we can treat the environment, similarly environment will return us as a several benefits. So that's all. Thank you and wish you a very good environmental day.
Happy World Environment Day. Today we are celebrating our Mother Earth, which we also call as our home. But more than celebration, we need to restore it. We need to restore its glory, its power, because without Earth, we don't exist. Earth will anyways exist, but we can't. We need Earth. We need a happier, healthier Earth to survive.